Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about best payment gateway for freelancer, also best alternative marketplace than Upwork, Fiverr or People per Hour. So if you started your freelancing career and working with a marketplace like freelancer.com or fiverr.com or upwork.com, then you know that you have to pay 20% from your earning. So I think this is not a very good idea to pay 20% from your work labor. So if you get any way where you don't have to pay anything extra like 20%, 10%, 5%, just to get the full payment from your client, I think that will be best solution for you. Also, if you are looking hire freelancer and you are a owner of your company or working with any company and you need to hire someone for your company project like website design, digital marketing or graphics design, anything else, then I think that you should hire someone where you don't have to pay extra and your freelancer or your employee get full payment. For example, if you hire me for any project like build any Shopify website, for example, this project price is $500. You have to pay me $500. Normally, you will go to the Upwork, hire me by Upwork, and you pay $500. Also, few tax with this payment. But after I complete this project, I get only $400. So here I lost $100 from my earning, but you pay full payment for me. So I think we should find a best solution for that, and that's why I think you should use Deal. What is Deal? Deal is fast website where you don't have to pay anything extra from your project deals. For example, if you hire me for any project for $1,000, I will get to full payment, or if you hire me for any project for $500, I will get full payment $500 in my account. Also, I will get the best conversion in my local currency. So I hope from now you will use Dell website or company to hire your freelancer or employee. And also if you are freelancer, then you will try to use Dell.com instead of freelancer.com, upwork.com, fiverr.com, and here you can save 20% for your lifetime. So I hope you will try this marketplace or try this company, and I am going to share the link of this company in the video description. So if you like, you can try. Have a nice day. Bye bye.